Hello, it's me Niraj Ghimiri. Recently, I got job as an IT support admin in LX Pantos. Those I am from a IT background, but it was very difficult me to find the job. But with the help of Fortray Global Services, I was able to achieve my dream job. They helped me with making MD100 certification and give me the proper guideline and prepare a training and make my CV better, and so I can so the recruiters can easily see the CVs, and so I got a chance to work in a good renowned company, and I highly recommend to everyone to once to visit the Fortray Global Services if anyone want to get a job in their relevant field. So it's my suggestion, and thank you once again for the whole team for making my dream job come true. Thank you so much.